And then when we substitute values of n is equals to 1, we have c1 over then when the value of n is equals to 2, we're going to have c2 over 4 times 3. You see that c2 has a value of c0 over 2 times 1, so we can assume it and make it this. No, yeah. Then it's equals to c3 over 5 times 4. So see here, we also have a value for c3, which is c1 over 3 times 2. So we can have this equation. As we can see, that the equation turns out to be with this form. Which will lead us to a transcendental function with the form of c0, c0 hyperbolic cosine x plus c1 hyperbolic sine x.